CRYO850 is a lineup of drug-free services for pain management, athletic performance, and overall wellness. The center is based around whole body cryotherapy. We have the only electric chamber in Northwest Florida. We have a variety of people who come in for pain management or a little bit of a mental reset, skincare, overall wellness. Athletes of all ages from 14 to 84 who are working to up their game. And the number one reason we came to Destin was to service the U.S. military servicemen and women. We're in Destin, Florida, about half a mile from the Mid-Bay Bridge, located in City Market on the Bayside. Our staff works really hard to keep the place clean and sanitized, and our mission at the end of the day is to provide a nice community where people feel better when they walk out the door.